Hello friends, welcome to Align Pattern. Today we will look at computer awareness questions which have asked in SBI POs and IBPS Clerk exam. Computer awareness is a high potential topic in the banking sector. In this section, those who are preparing for bank exams like IBPS, SBI, RBI and NABARD and other competitive exams will get the detailed questions and answers here. Such questions may ask again, so prepare well. Let's get towards our questions and answers segment. So question number 1 is, how many bits are there in the Ethernet address? Answer is 48 bits. Ethernet address is also called as the MAC address, that is media access control, which are 6 bytes, that is 48 bit long binary numbers. For convenience, most computers list MAC addresses as a 12-bit hexadecimal numbers. MAC address is that is only used in LANs. It's an address that is only usable inside a local network. You can't send data to a device in a different network using its MAC as a destination, but you can send data to devices in your local networks using MAC address as an identifier. Question number 2 is, computer cannot perform. Answer is thinking. A computer can perform inputting, processing and controlling, but it can't perform thinking, or we can say understanding, as it has no brain. It can't learn from its previous experiences. Question number 3. Die-dash printer cannot print more than one character at a time. Dot matrix printer cannot print more than one character at a time. Dot matrix printer is also known as the impact printers. The head of these printers contain a matrix of dots or pins or hammers. That's why these printers are named dot matrix printer. Generally, a dot matrix printer has 9 or 24 pins in its head. The speed of dot matrix printer is generally in the range of 100 to 300 characters and are widely used in banks organization sector. Question number 4. Die-dash is one reason for problems of data integrity. Answer is data redundancy. Data integrity is basically accuracy, completeness and consistency of data, whereas data redundancy refers to keeping data in 2 or more places within a database or data storage system. If data redundancy carried out by accident, duplicate data may cause data inconsistencies. Even though data redundancy can help minimize the chances of data loss, redundancy issue can affect larger data sets. For example, data is stored in several places, takes up valuable storage space and makes it difficult for the organization to identify which data they should access or update. That's why data redundancy is one reason for problems of data integrity. Question number 5 is, the die-dash is the amount of data that a storage device can move from the storage to the computer per second. Answer is, data transfer rate is the amount of data that a storage device can move from the storage to the computer per second. Question number 6. Compiler is the. Answer is, translator of source program to object program, or we can say the object code. As we have seen in the previous video explanation, compiler is a computer software that translates, or we can say compiles, source code written in a high-level language, for example C++ or any other language, into the set of machine language instructions that can be understood by a digital computer CPU. Question number 7. Artificial intelligence is an example of. Answer is, 5th generation computer. As you know from the previous video of Computer Fundamental, the period of 5th generation is 1980 to till date. The 5th generation VLSI technology becomes ULSI, that is Ultra Large Scale Integration Technology, resulting in the production of microprocessor chips having 10 million electronic components. And 5th generation computing devices have a large scale integration, parallel processing, high speed logic and memory chips, voice integration that helps in using artificial intelligence. Question number 8. A factor in the selection of source language is. Answer is, program compatibility with other software. Compatibility is the ability to live and work together without any consistency. Compatible program or simply software application also work on the same setup. For example, if you want Google site is compatible, then it should be open in all browsers and operating system. Same with the program besides other software responsible for the selection of source language. Question number 9. Rows of a relation are called. Answer is tuples. Basically, a relation is known as the table or file in the database system, and within a table, each row represents a group of related data values, and a row or record is also known as a tuple. The columns in a table are filled and is also refers to as an attribute. This attribute is used to define the record, so our question's answer is tuples. Question number 10. Which language is directly understood by the computer without translation program? Answer is machine language is directly understood by the computer without translation program. Question number 11. Email client is the feature of. Answer is MS Outlook. MS Outlook is the abbreviation of Microsoft Outlook. Basically, this is a personal information manager software system from Microsoft, available as a part of the Microsoft Office suite, and primarily function of MS Outlook is to access and manage a user's email, including various functions such as calendaring, task managing, contact managing, note taking, general logging, and web browsing. Question number 12. Factor making Windows popular is. Answer is desktop feature. Question number 13. Hexadecimal number system consists of the symbols. Answer is 0 to 9 and A to F. Hexadecimal number system has a 16 digits that range from 0 to 9 and A to F. Its base is 16. The A to F alphabet represent 10 to 15 decimal numbers. The position of each digit in a hexadecimal number represents a specific power of the base 16 of the number system. Question number 14. When you want to move an icon on your desktop, this is called. Answer is dragging. Moving the cursor over an object, selecting it and moving it to a new location is called as dragging. If you are using a mouse, you can drag and drop an object by clicking the mouse button to select an object, then moving the mouse while keeping the mouse button pushed down the object. Question number 15. The earliest calculating device is. Answer is abacus. An abacus is a calculation tool used by sliding counters along rods used to perform mathematical functions. Question number 16. A disk content that is recorded at the time of manufacture and that cannot be changed or erased by the user is. Answer is read-only. Read-only is a file system permission that only allows a user to read or copy stored data but not write new information or edit the data. Question number 17. Binary system is also called. Answer is base 2 system. A binary number is a method of mathematical expression which uses only two symbols, typically 0 and 1, expressed in the base 2 numeral system. Question number 18. Which command brings you to the first slide in your presentation? Answer is Ctrl plus Home brings you to the first slide in your presentation. Question number 19. Which is the name of the network topology in which there are bidirectional links between each possible node? Answer is mesh topology. In mesh topology, all nodes are connected to each other, so bidirectional network links between each node is possible in mesh network topology. Question number 20. Active window means. Answer is currently open window which is designated by a different color toolbar. The active window is generally the window belonging to the application in which the user is currently working. If several windows are open on a user's desktop, only one of these windows can be the active window. For example, if you are currently watching my YouTube videos, then your active window is the YouTube tab. Thank you so much for watching the video and hit the bell icon to get notified about next such questions and answer segment. Don't forget to like the video and learn with me.